Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2015. This is a Dodge Charger. This is the RT model. As you can see, white in color. You got to look at this car. It's got the Hemi. Folks, this car has every conceivable option from 20-inch tires and wheels, four-wheel disc anti-lock. It's got the Alpine sound system, memory for 2 drivers. It's got navigation. It's got a backup camera. It's got an 8.4 screen, Bluetooth for your cell phone. It's even got adaptive cruise control and lane assist. Cool and ventilated seats. It's got park sense in the back. It's got a spoiler. Folks, you're not going to find this car anywhere but at Firkins. Folks, you got to call me if you want a great car that is track ready. Call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this car at Firkins.